kabantay itong ano, urot ang kumakaon. Sunod mo?
No, catch it, Bella.
Ada na kakang video, singkit mo. No.
No catching it, Bella. Baby, si Pao na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Sissy babe. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. And sana mag-enjoy ka sa araw na ito. And good luck sa iyong career. Sana maging successful ka and sana makita mo na yung the one mo this year. And enjoy your day. That's all. Mwah!
Sister Mary J, binabati kita ng happy birthday. Ayan, pagpasensyahan mo na. At ako'y galing lang sa paglalaba. Kasi makulit yung nanghihingi nitong video. Happy birthday, Sissy. Enjoy your day. Love you. Mwah!
Hey, Mary J, happy birthday. I can't wait for you to come back to Singapore so that you can pay me a visit at makapag-bonding na tayo with Anjo. So, yeah. Halika na, balik ka na dito. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayun. Hi, Ate Mary. Akong friend ay si Christian. Ayun. Gusto rin mag-greet sa'yo. Sige.
Happy birthday, Mary Jane. Fighting lang. Yan pag mas guwapo to.
Ayun. Ate, yung mahihiling ko lang sa buhay mo ay stay humble, then keep it up, and more blessings to come and good health. Salamat kayo kay nagkaila kita nga duol raman di iPod sa taga Mindanao nagapon di pud duha na salamat kayo nga very supportive ka sa amua ug sa atong mga katimusom, very always ka nandyan. Kaya napapasalamat ako kasi lagi ka nandyan. Ayan, maraming salamat at yan, Mary J Vlogs, and yun, congrats and happy birthday. Love, nandito lang po ako, si Rizal Jean, at yung kaibigan ko po ngayon na si
Pinakagwapo ng Black Lupa.
ayan, bye bye, happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday to our sister Beb, Mary J Vlog. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo. I wish ko lang matupad yung mga pangarap mo, wishes and dreams, and good health, and dito lang lagi yung Team Awesome support sa iyo. And I know busy ka, and I'll call you soon, and I know partner tayo sa ating painot. Yan, sister Beb, happy birthday. Ayan, may cake ko dito parcel. Ayan, so yeah. Happy birthday! I love you!
Hi, hello! Hello, good evening. Happy birthday kang Ma'am Miss Mary J. Guapa. Pasensya kaayo, ma'am, kapag guapa. Oy, pero mo greet ko ni mo, ma'am. Happy birthday. Nagmask lang ko kay na ako sa gawas. Enjoy your day. God bless you, host Mary J. God bless. Stay beautiful. Hope nga makakita na kag imong ikaw na makasabot og unsa na siya. Happy birthday again. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Anjo Makape from Singapore. Bye. Cheers to your additional blessings. additional year sa imong life. God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mary J. Vlog! Happy birthday and enjoy your day. I hope na in-small ka ng pamilya mo. And ayan, sa Hello Sarsi, pinilit ako. Pasensya na hindi ako ready. Kaya mata na lang muna. Happy birthday to you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate MJ. Ang wish ko, jowa mo. Happy birthday.
Hello, Besh. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you.
Hi, Moms! Happy birthday! I hope you're having a good one. Ayun, for now, stay safe na lang muna tayo. Ingat! Miss you!
Happy birthday, Besh. Hindi na ako mag-speak. Message ka na lang. I love you. Video.
Oh, happy birthday. Birthday, MJ. Me, I'm MJ. MJ birthday ah?
Yeah.
You think it's also video?
Tara.
Happy birthday, MJ. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, friends. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. God bless you and always stay safe. See you guys.
Miss MJ, how are you? Happy birthday. I wish you love, hope, and everlasting joy and happiness in your birthday. I wish you good health also. And always pray to God that all is well. And nalang may permit din sa imong side si Jane, si Bugs, and ako. Pwede mo i-message always kung naki-problem. Salamat sa tanan. I am proud to be your friend also. Take care always. We love you. Mama, chup chup. Peace.
Happy birthday, sis! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life. Good health mo for me sa imong pamilya. I wish you love and everlasting joy and happiness. And thank you for being one of my true friend and sa friendship natong tulo ni Sis Jane. Thank you guys. I love you both. And unta, makita na nimo si Mr. Right. Palihog lang sis. Kay ikaw na lang dyan nagpabilin sis. Laban lang sis. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Hi sis. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Kaya may wish ako for you. Ang wish ko for you is sana God will continue to protect you and your family as well. I know God will provide everything you need because you are a great person. You are a great daughter and a great provider. Kaya alam ko na though now, hindi pa natin, and marami tayong questions and marami tayong mga things na tinatanong or confused, pero darating din tayo dyan. Just believe in yourself and believe in God's timing, and everything will come in the right time and in the right place, and darating din ang right person for you. And thank you. I want to say thank you for being a supportive friend, and thank you for always being there for me sa mga CV stories ko. Thank you so much, and again, happy birthday. Mwah.